Welcome to Moon Invoice. Open application. Select Purchase section. Select Debit Note option and open it. Click on plus icon and create debit note. Enter the product details and create debit note. After creating, click on Save button. Then click on Show More and select Apply and Bill. Click on pencil icon and select the bill in which you want use debit note. Click on Save button. Here you check that the debit note has been applied. Thanks for using Moon Invoice. Reach out us at support@mooninvoice.com.